Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make your first $500 online. It's really not as hard as you might think, and it's something that everyone should be doing. Everyone should be in the affiliate marketing, digital marketing niche, even if you have a full-time job. What we're going to be doing is your setup. Your setup is going to include website, your products, and email follow-up. Very simple concept. Everyone has this when in the digital marketing space. So to show you an example, we'll come to my page and we'll look at the system that you're going to see now. You're going to see a landing page, which is going to collect the information. This is how you build a real business. You need a set of leads you can send your new social medias to, follow up with new products, nurture, give away stuff, etc. And then next is going to be the sales page, which you might be actually seeing this video on. And it's going to pretty much do all the selling for you. And then we're going to come over to automations, and you're going to see a few automations. And this is what's going to do most of the selling. And I show you how to set all this up. And you just sit back and you add to it. You come and you add more to it. You give away value. Record Loom videos that better explain what it is you're trying to tell people so they're not having a lot of questions. And this is how you automate your system. How we're going to market the actual business. You're going to market it from a wealth standpoint, helping people with money problems, overworked environments. And you're going to market it from a product based as well. You can actually match the offers that I show you guys with that exact client. And we do this with short videos, long videos like I'm doing now. And I'll show you how I record these videos and post, regular posts on social media work as well. The products that we're going to have are going to be a mix of physical products and software. These physical products, you're not going to be shipping. You're not going to be worrying about returns. You're an affiliate, so the company worries about everything. And that's the amazing part of starting an affiliate. You don't have to worry about any of that other stuff. You just have to be the advertiser. So if we come back to the page that we were on, this is a multiple stream income funnel. So if you're ever coming to this funnel, you're not forced to purchase every product. There's about 4 offers that I have set up, and I give you this funnel as well that you can customize. And it's pretty interesting because there's videos for each thing, so people know exactly what it is that they're getting. I even have some wording that better explains exactly what you need to do. So you're going to have the first offer is going to be your www dot. So www.relaxingmoney.ws is my link, my brand, where people go to and they get more information. That's just what everyone needs. The second is the physical product, and I actually show you what it is, how it works, how you sign up, how you set your account up, and you get access to this video as well if you want it. And then you have your activate offer here, and people can come here and activate the offer, and it shows them exactly how to do it. This is your system. So like I said, you don't have to get all of these offers, but you do need at least one of these offers to get into the community. Or you can come down here and just pay the $50 if that's the price I still have it now, and to get into the community. You just still won't have anything to sell. So it's just better to just come in here and do all of these. And these offers, they all add up to $200 a month. So pretty low cost to have 4 streams of income. And this is the system. This is what you're watching this video on. This is what I just showed you. And this is the page that this is hosted on. And you can build other websites, other things, even if you're doing something for, your hobbies, etc. You can build that all in this system. And our fourth offer is just a app that tracks your productivity. So this is how I stay consistent, and I actually can pull it up really quick. And it tracks everything that I need to do for the day and more. You just put this on your phone, and it works really good on the phone, and you can put your goals, your working out, and this is how you go beast mode and just stay on top of everything and know every day you're doing everything you need to do to be better. And then this is just if you're someone who already has products, already has a system, and you just want to get into the mentorship and learn how to do everything that I'm going to be showing you guys, you just click here and it'll take you to the mentorship page. And one of the biggest things is going to be your mindset. Your mindset is everything. If you want to rinse and repeat this with other people and make your first $500 online, you're going to have to be persistent in this business. Every day you want to go to your app. That's why I specifically have these offers put together, because they all go in hand. You want to log into your app, make sure you're doing your goals for the day, and you can do goals Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You can have them set up 7 days a week. Just make sure you're doing everything you need to do and you're listening to what we're showing you. And this brings me to the last point in launching and making your first $500 on day. So I have a 7-day launch boot camp that shows you pretty much how to create a system. And by the time you're seeing this, I'm going to have other resources that show you how to edit and make your system even better. I'm going to give you a short video boot camp that's going to show you how to upload your first reels. And then we're rinsing and repeating. And then for the next 90 days, I'm going to be inputting different trainings into the community that are going to show you how to do other things. We even have bonus stuff like how to launch a merch site, how to sell your own brand on shirts and stuff. So we're going to be giving you a lot of information in the next 90 days, and it's going to be over delivered. So if you guys want to do this at a high level, make sure when you're on this page, if I have this video on this page, make sure you just take advantage of all 4 offers. It's going to run you around $200. That's going to be your overhead every single month. And this actually has the potential, if you get all 4 offers and you bring in, let's say, 25 people into the business, it has the potential to make way more than $500 a day. So stay tuned. I'll probably leave this video here as well, and then I'll input this video so you can see it. But this kind of breaks down the money and how it goes with each offer. So make sure you watch this video as well.